So here's my minced lamb, to which I'm going to add some chili powder, quite a lot, want it to be quite hot. Some whole cumin seeds, I like to have a bit of a bittiness in there. Some cumin powder, a load of paprika, some turmeric, some sesame seeds, a good bit of salt, a good bit of pepper, just for a bit of moisture and just to help it stick and to give it a rich tomatoey flavour, some tomato puree. Mix that all together. Okay, so I've mixed that. Wrap these onto these skewers. I'm going to just put them in the fridge to dry them and firm them up a bit. I'm going to make a yoghurt dressing to go with that. So, lemon juice, salt, pepper, a grated gherkin, plenty of grated cucumber, and finally just finish that with some fresh mint. Gonna add a few finely chopped capers as well. This is my dough. It's the classic flatbread dough, same one that I had in my fajita video. Flour, water, baking powder, salt, bit of oil, tiny bit of sugar, dusty board and all that business, yeah. Nice. Maybe stretch it out a bit with your hands first. Do this. We've got this roll. These are my veggies that are going with the kebab. The tricolora peppers and the simple humble onion. Pepper, yeah. So, there's olive oil. The griddle pan just runs down, so I'm just going to go at the top, across there. It'll just trickle down, yeah. Trickle down. Bit of oil there. Let's get the kebabs on. Over this. Flip it. Lovely colour on there, lovely. I just switched these over because these are sort of stewing a bit and boiling a bit in their own juices. So flip them over to the veggie side and then move the veg over to the meaty side so they could fry a bit in the lamb fat. Pretty much done here. Just here. Beautiful.